Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, beautiful end of the week for oil. So again, just to backtrack on where we were with oil when the bull break occurred, it was this downtrend resistance. As soon as we broke this level of 50.40, that is the bull signal, and it's been extreme follow through over the last 2 months since that breakout occurred. So looking really good. We broke a very key resistance. This is what we were looking for. And if you've been following along with my oil videos for the last year, all of 2017, when we were back at this range, I was looking for a move into the low 60s. We didn't break that resistance. We pulled back significantly. It's taking more time than anticipated. I think I said in the one of the videos that I was looking for the upper 50s in 2018 or 2017 before the end of the year. So we'll see if we get there by then. But again, this pullback that did last multiple months did set that timetable back. But the fact that we broke this resistance of 55.21 is very bullish to me, because that is the highest price that we've seen now. And you look back to where we look to the next resistance levels. So let's put our resistance line at that point that was broken. And here we are now looking at this range. This range of previous price action is the next resistance we're going to be looking at. The first is going to be 56.54, and then pretty much the range from 56.54 up to 62.56 has a good amount of price action within it. So that's the next resistance band we're looking at. But what that tells us is there's not a lot of resistance until we hit that low in the mid $56 range. So the bulls have all kinds of momentum in their favor. We just have to be cautious, because this is the most bullish run where we haven't really seen. We have seen a couple times, the really oversold bounce from the lows. We saw a month of green consolidation, month of green, brief consolidation. So here's our month of green. And we just have to be cautious is the main bottom line. The bulls are absolutely in control of the trend, but the daily chart is due for some pullback. Right now, our new benchmark for support is 53.92. As long as that higher low holds, the bulls are just fine in terms of keeping the daily trend in their favor. And we're watching to see how much follow through can we get from this move before we do have to pull back. So we did see a strong close up at the high of the week. We have the 4-hour time frame also giving us some support levels. I was watching a potential bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern, and the fact that we never broke this low here, this neckline of support of 53.87, that told me that the bulls were maintaining control. And we saw that momentum into the end of the day with that nice follow through. So bulls is the story. We have a 4-hour support line, and this line won't leave me alone. So now that that's under control, we have our higher low at 54.38 that needs to hold for the bulls to remain in full control. And again, if we break the 4-hour higher low, that will be red flag number 1 for the bulls. That will tell us that healthy daily consolidation is likely upon us. But until that happens, bulls in full control. We're looking at 56 psychological resistance from here. USO on the daily time frame, full-on breakout mode. And what stands out here is the closes near the highs of the candlestick. That shows momentum for the bulls heading into the end of the day, leading to follow through the next day. So we are in breakout mode above the upper Bollinger Band. The RSI is above 70. Again, we're getting overbought, so we have to be aware of that. And the weekly time frame, well, let's actually look at this higher low of support at 1082, and current resistance is 1120. And then the next resistance I'm looking at is 1126 and 1139. So bulls on the weekly time frame, higher low and higher high pattern now in breakout mode and heading back to our recent highs from back in the end of 2016 up at $12. So very successful couple of weeks for the bulls. We'll watch to see if they can keep this momentum in their favor. And the lack of resistance in the $56 range could see a little bit more continuation early next week before this consolidation does begin. But we are looking out for the daily time frame to see a couple days of pullback in the near future. Until that happens, congrats to the bulls.